Mixing is an essential part of music production that can help you achieve a cohesive and professional sound. Here are 5 tips to help you mix your tracks more effectively. Balancing the mix. The first step in mixing is to balance the levels of each track in your mix. You should aim to set the levels so that each track is audible and balanced with the other tracks in the mix. Using EQ. EQ can be used to shape the frequency response of each track in a mix. You can use EQ to cut out unwanted frequencies or boost certain frequencies to make each track sound better in the mix. Using compression. Compression can help control the dynamic range of each track in a mix. You can use compression to make quiet parts of a track louder and loud parts quieter, which can help create a more consistent and balanced mix. Using panning. Panning can help create space and separation between tracks in a mix. You can use panning to place different instruments in different parts of the stereo field, which can help create a more interesting and dynamic mix. Using reverb. Reverb can add depth, space, and character to your tracks. You can use reverb to create a sense of space and depth in your mix, or to add character to individual tracks. Subscribe for more no-nonsense tips.